Welcome to our channel Memorable Clips. Today I have brought a beautiful speech on Republic Day. So without further delay, let's start the video.
Respected principal, teachers, and my dear friends, good morning to one and all. Today I feel immensely proud to stand before you on this historic occasion of Republic Day, celebrated every year on 26 January. This day marks the adoption of the Constitution of India in 1950, transforming our nation into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic. Republic Day is not just a national festival, it is a reminder of our duties, rights, and responsibilities as citizens of India. Our constitution is the longest written constitution in the world and reflects the dreams, struggle, and aspirations of millions of Indians. At the heart of this remarkable document lies the vision of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, the chief architect of the Indian Constitution, who ensured equality, justice, and dignity for all, especially the marginalized and oppressed. The freedom we enjoy today did not come easily. It is the result of countless sacrifices made by great freedom fighters such as Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh, Rani Lakshmibai, and many others. Their courage and patriotism laid the foundation of a free and united India. Republic Day inspires us to reflect on the progress our nation has made in fields like science, technology, education, defense, and space research, while also reminding us of the challenges that still lie ahead: poverty, corruption, illiteracy, and social inequality. As the youth of this great nation, we are the torch bearers of Indian future. It is our duty to uphold constitutional values, respect diversity, protect national unity, and contribute positively to society. A strong nation is built not only by its leaders, but by responsible and average citizens. Let us take a solemn pledge today to follow the path of truth, unity, and integrity, and to work tirelessly for the progress of our country. May we always place the nation above self and strive to make India a global leader guided by peace and humanity. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.
I hope you found this video useful. If you did, then like, share, and subscribe.